Let's practice stand and walk. Okay, you ready? Ready? Okay. Okay. Hold on, don't walk yet. Just stand. Do your legs right. You ready? Who's a big girl? Can you stand? Who's a... Oh! Get your balance. Get your balance. Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? It's twisted. Yeah. Okay, hold on. You ready? Don't look at the fan. Look at the baby. You see the baby? Yeah. Go get the baby. Go get the baby. Whoop! Were you looking for Mama's arm? Yeah. Okay, don't look at the fan. Yeah, look at the baby. Okay, look at the baby. Okay. Okay, go get the baby. Go get the baby. Go get the baby. Can you go walk to the baby? Can you walk to the baby? See, I can fall on my bum. I can fall on my bum. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Walk. There you go. Yeah, big girl. Big girl. Yeah. Are you a good walker? Yeah. Forgetting it. Oh! Yeah. Kind of, huh? Yeah. You're doing good. You're such a big girl. Okay, stand ready. I know you love to walk. Okay, stand. Oh, you're just gonna walk everywhere? You're gonna walk everywhere? You're gonna walk. Look at Mommy's taking a walk. You can do it. Okay, ready? Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, walk. You're not right. Go. Look over here. Whoops. Can you walk this way? Okay, look. Look right there. Tristan. Look, Tristan. Ding, 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 ding. Look over here. Look over there. Can you walk to that? Go walk to that. Go get the camera. Go get the camera. Go get it. Go get the camera. Okay, we'll say bye.